Hi friends, welcome to Workspoot. This video I will show you how to connect H96 MAX RK3566 Bluetooth remote control. As we know, H96 MAX contain the Bluetooth remote control. This one and this one have two functions. One is IR remote control and another one is Bluetooth remote control. And the Bluetooth remote control we need to pair. If we use IR remote control, there are two functions cannot work. One is voice function. Another one is mouse button for Euro function. Let's see how it works and how it doesn't work. We say voice, Google, YouTube, Google Store, not working. Mouse button, no Euro function. Now let's say how to connect Bluetooth to get these two functions work. Go to Setting. Find the remote and accessories. Press OK. It will allow us to search for accessories. We will search the Bluetooth name. And this Bluetooth have the unique one name. And we will search. Need to press two keys. One is the voice minus, two is in the middle of the OK button. Need to press these two buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. And it must need to aim at the box. Let's see how it works. If the voice come out, it no work, we will get in again. At the same time, press two buttons. You will say it come out. The Bluetooth remote control name is R15BP, and let's pair it. Pairing. Sometimes when we press these two, it cannot pairing. We need to go back and enter again to pair it. Go back and enter again. Press again. Oh, it appeared. Pair. Okay, pair. Connecting is paired. Go back to the main menu. Let's see how these two buttons work. Voice, YouTube, okay, go back. Check again. Google Store. Okay, Google Store come out. Go back. Let's say the mouse button, you can say it has the Euro function now. Very easy. That's all for today's video. Follow us on YouTube channels, Boxput. Go to YouTube, search Boxput. Search the Boxput official. Okay, subscribe us, Boxput official. That's all. Thanks. Bye.